Hey guys, it's Emma and today I have this again and what was that word? Is that on? And I'm going to be doing a waterfall braid tutorial, that is what it's called. So this will probably come out a day late, by the way. I'm sorry, honestly I couldn't be bothered filming yesterday. Anyway, let's get groovy.
Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to section off a piece at the front, so it's parted in the middle, and I'm going to section that into three, just like you're doing a normal braid. And then what you do with that is you cross the top part over the middle and then the bottom part over the middle, and then you grab a bit of hair like you would if you were doing a French braid, and you cross that over the middle, and then with the bottom section you drop it and you pick up a piece of hair that's next to it and then cross that over the middle, so that then becomes the bottom section, and you just keep going like that. And what I like to do when I grab the piece of hair for that makes the new section is I grab it like next to and slightly underneath the new section, because I the old section I mean, because that feels that okay, I can talk. To me, that feels like it accentuates the waterfall look a bit more, which is what you're going for if you're doing a waterfall braid. And the way I normally do this is I'll have it parted in the middle and I'll waterfall braid both sides and combine it in the back in either a ponytail or a braid. But just for tutorial purposes, I'm only going to be doing one side. You can pretty much do this hairstyle any way you want, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm rambling on because, to be honest, I don't know how to speed up the track or add music in with this particular program without I can't talk without doing it to the whole video, so I'm just talking instead. But anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm just braiding it like normally all the way down. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just cross the sections over the middle, just how you do a normal braid. Anyway, yeah, these mannequins are creepy. No one's giving me any name suggestions. My cat, I have three of them. My cat got so scared today that she hit one of them and they fell next to her, and she went and hid in the corner of my room, and now she's just sitting on my bed sleeping because she can. Anyway, just braid like normal, and yep, braid, braid, braid. Okay. And then when you get to the bottom, you're just going to tie it off with a hair tie. Obviously. Hurry up. Okay, yep. Now, I should have used a hair elastic, but I couldn't really find one, so I'm just using this. It's probably not the greatest because we're going to pin it under the hair. And yeah, it's a black hair tie against blonde hair. It's kind of obvious that it's going to show, but anyway. So now I'm just going to spread apart the braid a bit just to make it look thicker and fuller. It just, in my opinion, it looks better. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna, if I remember correctly, I fail at first to pin it because you want to make it so you can't see the bobby pins because you're trying to make it look, I guess, seamless. If that makes any sense. So just kind of like try and pin it, pin, pin, because it's kind of harder because I have the reddish brown hair and this mannequin has blonde hair, and obviously I just use like the brown bobby pins. So yeah, this is just me fixing it up a bit. But then you just use the hair to cover it, and it's holds better if you do the bobby pins in a X at the back, so just cross them over one another. It holds better. Anyway, here is the waterfall braid. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comments really help motivate me to make videos because we all know I need that. And I will see you guys next time.